Say you want to buy something really cool,
Like a llama.
but you don't need a llama.
But I want one. They're cute and fluffy, and I really want to have one.
Okay, is having a llama part of your long-term life plans? Your long-term goals?
Yes.
How?
Well, I want to become a llama farmer. This is one of my long-term goals. I want to raise llamas, and I want them to be wild and happy and free. So getting a llama now will help me with my career path. I'm planning ahead.
I understand. You really want a llama, and getting one will help you with your long-term goals. That makes sense. But did you know that llamas cost about $5,000?
$5,000? I don't have $5,000.
Well, you do have choices. Perhaps you could wait until you've saved up enough money to buy a llama. Another option you have when you want to buy something right now and you don't have all the money you need is called getting a loan. A loan is money that is borrowed and that you agree to pay back. You can get a loan from lots of different places, such as banks, financial institutions, family, and friends. But it's important to think carefully before you make that choice. You will need to consider, what are you borrowing money for? Can you pay it back? Will you be charged interest? Interest is simply a fee for borrowing money. Banks charge interest and make money when you take out a loan, especially big loans, like for a house. A loan for a house is called a mortgage. All of these things are important to consider when you are deciding whether or not to borrow money.
So you're saying if I just walk into a bank and ask them for some money to buy a llama, they'll give it to me? Sweet, let's go!
Not so fast. The person or institution lending the money also has to make decisions. They have to decide whether or not it's a good idea to lend you the money, because it could be risky for them if you can't pay the money back.
But I will pay it back. I'm totally good for it.
That's nice to hear, but banks or financial institutions often need proof. They need to know things like if you have a steady income, like a job, so they know for sure you're making money and you can pay them back. They will also want to know if you owe money to anyone else or if you have any debt. Banks also want to know if you have borrowed money in the past. Did you pay it back when you said you would? Were any of your payments late? You also have to tell a bank or financial institution why you need a loan, because they don't give out money for people to buy just anything. Remember, loaning out money can be a risky move for an individual or a financial institution if they don't make reasonable decisions based on the facts.
So this sounds like a win-win for me. The risk is all on the lender. No risk for me. All reward. Llama, here I come.
Whoa. Have you been listening to the things I've been saying? Borrowing money when you're not able to pay it back is a huge risk for the borrower. If you aren't able to pay back a loan to a bank or financial institution, there are serious consequences that can limit your possibilities when taking out future loans. Think about when you want to buy something really big, like a car or a house. If you take out a loan now and you're not able to pay it back, it hurts your chances of securing a new loan in the future.
So you're saying I'm doomed to a life with no llama?
Well, I guess that's up to you to decide. There are risks and benefits to borrowing money. Remember, there can be interest charged, which could have an impact on your budget when you make loan payments. If your monthly payment is $200, can you afford the extra expense? And if you take out a loan and can't pay it back, that could impact your ability to take out a loan in the future. But if thought out carefully, borrowing money can help you reach some financial goals.
Like becoming a llama farmer?
Yeah, I guess. Like becoming a llama farmer.